All right, today we are diving into what is honestly one of the greatest plot twists in the entire history of science. It's a story about two forces we all know, electricity and magnetism, that for the longest time everyone thought were completely separate things. Well, it turns out they're not. They're actually two sides of the same coin, and that discovery changed, well, pretty much everything.
And just as a heads up, this is part 17 of our 20-part Introduction to Physics from Virtualization Options LLC. Today, we're zeroing in on Chapter 17, which is all about this incredible unification of forces.
So, to get us started, let's begin with a little bit of a puzzle. It's a puzzle that connects the light from stars billions of miles away to the phone that might be sitting in your hand right now.
So think about this. What could distant starlight, a radio broadcast, and your wireless phone charger possibly have in common? I mean, they seem totally unrelated, right? You've got ancient light from the cosmos, music flying through the air, and this super modern gadget. But believe it or not, there is a single, fundamental connection that makes all three of them work.
And to find that connection, we have to go back in time a bit. Because before this huge breakthrough, the way scientists looked at the world was, well, it was a lot different.
For ages, scientists treated the electric force and the magnetic force as two completely separate things. Electricity was all about charge flowing through wires, powering circuits, and magnetism was that weird, invisible force that made compasses point north and could make things stick together or push apart. They each had their own set of rules, their own textbooks. They were basically neighbors that never talked to each other.
And here is the big twist. They aren't separate at all. It turns out they are completely, fundamentally tangled up with each other. They're just two different faces of one single, unified force. This was a bombshell. It basically took two entire fields of physics and smashed them into one. I mean, this is the moment. Physics went from just observing things to predicting the universe with pure math. And that unified force has a name: electromagnetism. All the credit for this world-changing idea goes to a Scottish physicist named James Clerk Maxwell. He was the genius who wrote down a set of beautiful, elegant equations that proved, once and for all, that these two forces were really just one thing.
Okay, but how? How can two things that look so different on the surface be the same thing underneath? Well, the secret is that they don't just exist near each other. They actively create each other in this amazing, continuous loop.
And the way it works is it's so elegant. It's this perfect two-step dance. First, if you have a changing electric field, it actually creates a magnetic field. But then, that new magnetic field, as it changes, creates an electric field in return. And this just keeps going, back and forth, in a perfect self-sustaining cycle.
Now, the result of this endless regeneration is just profound. This loop, this wave of electric and magnetic fields creating each other, is an electromagnetic wave. And because it sustains itself, it doesn't need air or water or anything else to travel through. It can just go, zipping right through the empty vacuum of space. And that is exactly how light from the most distant stars makes its way to us.
So, what does all this theory mean for us here and now? Well, this unification isn't just some abstract idea for a textbook. It has real, practical consequences that literally power our entire modern world.
I mean, just think about it. Every time you spin a magnet inside a coil of wire to create electricity, that's an electric generator. And that's electromagnetism. Radio waves, Wi-Fi, your phone charging wirelessly, yep, all electromagnetism. But it goes so much deeper. This one force is what governs how electrons behave in atoms. That means it's responsible for all of chemistry and for the very structure of the matter that makes up you, me, and literally everything you can see.
So as we start to wrap this up, it's really hard to overstate how important this discovery was. Electromagnetism isn't just one of the forces of nature. It's arguably the most important one for our day-to-day lives.
In fact, there's a quote from our source material that just nails it. Electromagnetism is arguably the most consequential force in everyday human experience. Just let that sink in. From the sunlight that lets you see to the computer you're watching this on, it is all governed by this one beautiful, unified force.
And that leaves us with a really exciting question to think about. Maxwell showed that two forces people thought were separate were really just one. Today, physicists are still on that same quest, trying to find even deeper connections between the other forces of the universe. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other secret connections are still out there, just waiting for us to find them?